What's up, YouTube? How you doing?
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, that's so good. I'm so happy for you. Today we're gonna be installing 2 builds. They're pretty small, but boy, it's gonna be a full day. Some custom garden. I know.
Whoa!
Dude, we've got so much packed for you. Come on. So we got some custom railings that we just got back from our man Lucas over at Powder Coating Creations. It came out really nice. It's a set of 4 railings that will outfit a house and its porch. And then we've got some custom garden edging we made for the fine folks over at Circle Design. Shout out John, Teresa, and Emily and the whole team over there. So this edging is gonna go out front of their design studio here in Roanoke. And these rails are gonna go on a porch, side porch, front porch, and the sidewalk of a local house here in Roanoke. Roanoke means local. We're in Roanoke. Coffee's kicking in. Obviously you see the MR1 mill that we can't wait to show you guys being used as a coat rack right now, essentially. And also in the back, we have some bike racks that we made that have yet to be picked up by the city of Covington. Singles and doubles. These were very fun projects, and yeah, look at all this product ready to go out right here. So I'm gonna pull the Isuzu around and pull the sides off of it. We'll load some things on there, grab some tools, get some hardware lined up, and then we'll go install some things. Aaron made some nails yesterday, so that's nice. That'll be used to hold down the garden edging. It'll all make sense soon. So strap in. It's gonna be a day of installs. Right, guys?
Right! Oh, yeah! Whoa! Holy!
Here's the old Isuzu. You guys remember this thing? We use it every now and again. Love this truck. Oh, I've left it unlocked. See how she's feeling this morning.
Whiteside.
Oh yeah. It starts great in the summer because the engine's already warm. In the winter, it does not want to start because the piston rings are pretty screwed up. Listen to her purr. Your custom nails look great. Let's load the truck. There's the old Cave Spring Fire Department. Woo, woo, woo. I did 3.5 years there. What's up, boys? The 3 house. And right next to it is Circle Design Studio. Wow, wow, wow. Let's edge, bro.
I don't like that at all.
Okay, I'm sorry. Walker, cut that out, please. Cut that out. I am a degenerate with no filter.
Where are we edging?
Right in front here.
In public?
Yeah, right next to the fire department. Because it's going to be hot.
Get your hose.
All right, so here's where it's all going. I'm going to tell you this while I tell the camera this. 1 bed, 2 bed.
That little U?
That's right there.
That looks bigger.
I know. And 3 bed.
Okay.
Hope it fits.
Great. If not, it chips.
right. Install number 1 done. God, that was easy and fun. Good job, buddy. Looks good. Client's happy. Got a check. Feels great. Okay, here we are, location number 2, and beautiful. Is this Old Southwest?
Nope. Grandin Village.
Greater Grandin area, and
Raleigh Court.
Raleigh Court. There you go. Court of Sir Raleigh, maybe. I don't know. So we got some beautiful steps here that we're going to be putting a rail down the middle. We've got 2 steps down here that we're going to be putting a rail on either side. And then over this way, we've got some steps here that we're putting a grab rail here on the right. So we'll give this place an infrastructure makeover, and hopefully the customer loves it. Let's do it. What do you think?
I think we should do it.
Shout out Pecron. This battery thing is awesome. I hope they still make them and are in business, because these guys rule. Go get you one. It's helped us out a lot. We can run a hammer drill off this thing. All right, there we are.
Done did it.
We done it. We're gonna come back with some black paint, do some touch-ups on the head of the fasteners. So when you see these beauty shots coming up, don't roast me for not painting the fasteners, because we're getting there. But let's show you anyway what we got. Oh, let's clean our mess up first. All right, let's give you guys a tour of all of our railing infrastructure. Looks nice. We start out here on the sidewalk, greeted by a left and right handrail. Feel real nice and solid. Then you walk up this way and you're greeted by this handsome man. You got a nice dead center grab rail right on this beautiful set of stairs, anchored into some really strong concrete. Nice little lamb's tongue. Love that. Then you walk down this beautiful porch and you've got a nice handrail waiting for you to come down the stairs. All in, all looks good. Minimalistic, more traditional. Looks awesome. Happy to have the work. Hopefully the customer's stoked. They are, I guess, moving in slowly from somewhere else. So, welcome to the area, guys. Everyone move to Roanoke and hire us to build stuff for your old dilapidated houses.
Hey, it's a old, well-kept house.
That's a really good point. It's in great shape. Sorry, don't listen to me. Thanks for watching, guys. Spike, shout out to you. Great work on the CAD and the design. Aaron, great work on the builds. Looks awesome. And shout out to Lucas.
Shout out to Lucas, man.
Yeah, dude. Shout out to Lucas at Powder Coating Creations for knocking out the powder coat. Beautiful job. Team effort here. Like and subscribe, please. Consider getting some of our merch, hats, shirts, all that, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Thank you.